Hi friends, thanks for dropping in. Guess what I got for you today? That's right, my sew sampler for September. I'm a little late getting this out, but I thought I'd go ahead and share it with you, so let's just get to it. I'll get this open. Let's see what's inside. Have you guys already watched videos? Might not be a surprise for you then. Ooh, that's pretty color. That's what that looks like. Hidden Gem, September. And let's see if we get 30% off by Annie's Notions, by Annie, her Notions and more. So yeah, we have a special promo code for that. So 30% off. That's nice. And then here's what's in the box when I opened it. Looks like it's full of stuff this month. Okay, we always get this card that tells us, and I'll just set it aside and tell you what the values are as I pull stuff out of the box. And first thing we got are some quilters clips. Well, those are neat. So, yeah, those look like they'd be pretty handy. You can see there's a little photo right here of how you use those. So you know, after you get your quilt sandwich together, you roll up the sides. And this is for to use with a domestic sewing machine. So, you know, you can keep the quilt out of your way a little easier. So, yeah, I'll have to, I don't know if I'm going to try these or not. I might save them, put them in my giveaway box over here. Because you may or may not know this, but I have a long arm sew. All right, let's look what's next. I know I'm not showing you as I go this time, am I? And once again, my dog decided to chew her bone. Willa, stop. Leave it. Just for a minute. That's a good girl. Sorry, guys. All right. Look at this, a cute little tea towel. That's very nice. A little kitchen towel. It's very soft. Very pretty colors. Oh, I forgot to tell you how much those Sew-Mate quilt clips are. That value was $9.98. And this tea towel is $9.98. Says keep a snippet of your sewing life down in the kitchen. Well, I'm kind of paraphrased a little bit there. But I don't think this is going in my kitchen, because if I know, my husband will use it. And yeah, we all know how that will turn out. So maybe I'll quilt that and hang it on the wall somewhere. That'd be pretty. All right, I like that. The next thing we have is a Gypsy Quilter silicone fuse mat. Oh, hey, that's neat. Let's open that. I gotta feel it. Oh my word, this is $18.98 value. And tell me, oh, it's 7 by 7. It will withstand up to 500 degrees Fahrenheit. Wow. All right. Check it out. I love the color. Huh. I'll have to give that a try. I'm doing that. If you watch my live, you saw I was doing that raccoon wall hanging, which is all applique. So it's pretty heavy. Looks like it has some sort of mesh in between the layers of the silicone. And that might be silicone too, I don't know. I'm not sure how it's made, but I'm happy to give it a try. All right. And the next thing we have is, well, we have the fabric. And look at that. I think we got fat quarters this time. We'll look at those just a second. Let's check out this Pack and Go project bag. That's the project we got in here, the pattern. Huh. I think we got one project bag a few months ago too, didn't we? Which I haven't done that one either. Huh. This one is just going to have a small open view window with fabric down on the bottom. It's cute. I'm not sure how big it is. And it is $9.98. Well, I don't see the size right offhand. Fat quarter. The materials you're going to use is fat quarter. I was hoping I could see what the size of the bag is when it's finished quicker than this. And I don't, so. But I'm going to say it's probably 20 by probably maybe 20 by 14 or something thereabouts. Somebody probably knows right off the bat what size this is, but anyway, the next pattern is our block of the month, and let's see, there's the block. Picture there a little bit. Oh, that's cool. And that's $4.98. All right. The next thing we have is, let's look at this fabric. The fabric is by Moda. Sherry and Chelsea, looks like. Oops. There we go. That's who the fabric's by. Ooh, very nice. Very pretty. Very mild tone, warm tones, I would say. Let's look at them real quick. Here's the first one. Very pretty. I'm going to have to refold these up anyway, so might as well show them to you. I like that one. Very pretty. And then we have blue and peaches on white. Nice one. It's kind of a orangey peach color, or maybe tangerine. Pretty. And this is brown. And then we have a pretty purple. Very pretty. So that was, I think, 6 fat quarters. Yeah, 6 fat quarters. That is good. And those were $18.98. So we have a total value of $72.88 this month. And I think the box is $24.95 or $99 a month plus shipping, and shipping is $5. And then I think we're paying sales tax now, and I live in a tax state, so I think my box is like 32 something a month. So if I take the whole total value or cost and then subtract the value, so my whole total cost, which I always feel like I have to explain it to you. Shipping, tax, and the box. Subtract that. I got a value of about 40 bucks, $41. If I just take the value of what it costs for the box, the 24, then it's $47.89, so about $48. Great value this month. All right, so what did you guys think about all the goodies we got this month? Show them to you one more time. I think it was a great box. Lots of cool stuff in it this month. And all the fabric too. So I think we did good. And I think these will look good in fat quarter stash. Good colors. All right, I'm happy. Well, thanks for stopping by, and I'll see you next time. Until then, get out there and make something, you guys. Bye.